Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called PURSUN. And then for this one, you guys can actually charge at the rate of Quick Charge 3.0 or the 3.0A, which is pretty cool. But first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out of the package first. So when we first open the product itself, you guys can see that's what's inside. When we take it out, so that's pretty much everything that's inside. They don't provide you any like user manual or anything because it's pretty simple. You just need to plug it in and start using it. So here is the actual product itself. So when we take it out, you guys can see there's a brand logo right there. There's the outputs right here. So there's the USB and then the USB-C output right here. And then the back side right here, you guys can see this is where you'll plug it onto your wall charger or wall plug and whatnot. And if you guys want to know how much is being generated going input and output, it's all right here at the plug right here, if you guys want to learn more about it. So obviously for this product, it has all the protection there's needs. So the overcharge protection, over voltage protection, over circuit protection, and the list goes on. The overall feel of the product feels super lightweight. They say it's supposed to be vibration tested and also impact tested. I'm assuming when you guys drop the product, the impact of the product dropping on the floor and getting damage is much less than other products out there. Not too sure, but that's what they mentioned. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let's go do a quick test of the product first and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the device. We have the cable plugged in. I'm going to test it out on my power bank and also my phone right here. So let me plug it in and see what happens. So right now you can see that I have it plugged in from my power bank right here and it is charging right here. And the way you know is by the light right here. And the green light just basically means that it's solar charging instead of the actual charging of the power bank itself. So this one works. Let's plug in our iPhone cable now. Alright. So for this one it took a while before it actually kind of synchronized and start charging. But you guys can see both of them does work. And here is the actual product itself, if you guys can see. So that's pretty cool, that does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw the test of the product, you can see that actually does work and actually works quite well. I think the only issue that I had with the product is the fact that when you guys saw how I plugged in the cable to charge my iPhone, like it wasn't instant. It took a couple seconds before I recognized that device to charge it. Whereas if I plug it onto like other outlets, it's like instant. This one's not as instant. So that's definitely one thing to kind of consider. But you guys can definitely see that it does work. And the price that you guys are paying for this product is actually really cheap. Like $10 for this, and you guys get Quick Charge 3.0 and also the USB 3.0A. So that's pretty amazing. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out, there we have